Hi, welcome. Nice to have you here in our salon. It's an honor.
Thank you for having me.
I'm very curious. I prepared a lot of questions for you.
Yeah.
How many times a week do you wash your hair? Is it depending? Of course, you have a busy schedule, flying, traveling, exercising, also being a beautiful mother. And that's also...
If I'm home, it's usually twice a week.
Okay, that's perfect.
Ideally, it would be once a week.
Yes.
But it's hard for me because I have naturally oily scalp.
Yeah.
And if I'm traveling for work, depending on the hairstyle, I have to wash it out to do a new hairstyle. But it does annoy me to wash it unnecessarily.
Do you protect your hair for hot tools or stuff like that?
Yeah, I prefer to always spray.
Yeah.
Before using hot tools, and I always ask whoever's doing my hair to do that as well. And now with your wonderful hair oil,
yes.
which I am loving, it's also 2-in-1.
Correct.
For heat protecting. Yeah. So
yeah, it's heat protecting and indeed it relaxes your scalp. We afterwards we're going to show you the video of the scalp massage. But also in that the heat protection is very important because you sometimes during